In 1993, in the German town of Wending, a man named Manfred Laber placed a concrete block on some waste ground on the edge of town. A decade later, he carefully positioned another block alongside it, and then a third 10 years after that. A new block is to be added every 10 years, and the finished structure will be a pyramid comprising 120 blocks. It's scheduled for completion in the year 3183. Laber called this project Zeitpyramide, or in English, Time Pyramid. Although Laber himself passed away in 2018, he made everyone promise that it would be completed as planned over the next 1,190 years. They did remember to do the fourth one, so it's going okay. Now, the only reason I mention this is for context. You may think I'm slow at putting these videos out, but it could be worse. Welcome back to Studio Obsession.
Hello. Oh, what is that? Shush. Aeroplane. Oh yeah, all the planes have arrived now. It's like going home time for the airport or something. Should we try it now? Okay. Hi there. Full disclosure, I have a Porsche. It's not a good one, so don't cancel me. It's quite old. It's 39 years old. And I have had a letter unexpectedly from Porsche GB telling me I need to get it fixed. I mean, I know that. Porsche have become aware of a potential safety hazard in this car that they sold back in 1987. There could be something wrong. The engine or something. So I need to bring the car to them and they will fix it free of charge. So, let's go. Well, I guess I have to put it back together first.
Okay, of course, I knew I'd taken the car apart to do some fettling. But the bit about the letter is true, and it's motivated me to get it all back together. Now, taking my car to a modern Porsche centre might feel a bit like tagging along at the back of the Tour de France on my rally grifter. Don't get me wrong, I do love the car, but I'll tell you a bit about its humble beginnings. In the early 70s, Porsche and Volkswagen, who had a history of close cooperation, were each relying for their survival on selling cars with the engine at the back. While this layout was simple and gave a decent amount of room for occupants, it was seen as kind of old and outdated. So VW asked Porsche to work on Project 425, a basic small sports car with the engine at the front that they could both sell under their own brand. It had to be simple, inexpensive to make, and use as many VW parts as possible. As it turned out, the 1970s was a bad time for developing sports cars. The oil crisis and new regulations in the US meant that Volkswagen kind of lost interest in the project, and then scrapped it altogether. This left Porsche in a bit of a bind as they still needed the car, so they made a deal to buy the rights to the design back from VW, and the 924, as it was now known, would be built for them in one of Volkswagen's factories. I've done quite a bit to the car, which I'll get into in this series, but for now, the main objective is to get my 924S to the nearest Porsche service centre before the year 3183.